Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a field in Airtable, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in the data view on my Airtable base, and as you can see, I'm currently in the grid view. Once you're here, what you need to do to add a field is go and click on this plus icon right over here. Then you can add a field name it whatever you want. I'll name it test, even though it is optional. Then you can find a field type if you want to, or you can just choose from this list right over here, or you can use AI to create a field. But for example, I'll just add a checkbox type field, and then you can select the style of that checkbox, what appears in it, and the color of that icon over there. I'll just choose a like, for example, and you can set it to default if you want to, or you can just check what it has here, and whatever is located here is what it'll be like whenever you add a new row. And as you can see, if I set the default to this, the box will be empty, and if I set it to this, the box will be filled by default. And you can also add a description if you want to, but you don't need to. And once you're done, you just click create field, and as you can see, that field has been created, and now I can check the checkboxes off. And that's literally all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.